So my plan today was to go on a walk and get a bunch of footage, but it is torrential rain outside right now. I'm on the 30th floor and it is insane how much water is just coming down from the sky. I gotta get out of the jeez. Pants are soaked. It was sunny, I want to say 20 minutes ago, and now it's like this, and then it'll stop and it'll be sunny again. This is the kind of rain where you wear shorts and flip-flops outside because you just accept you're gonna get drenched. We'll let the storm blow through, and then like maybe in like an hour or so, if the storm's past, I'll finally hold my back. Yeah, so I've been excited to take the GoPro out because the GoPro has been getting way higher quality footage than my phone has, as long as the lighting's good enough, which surprised me. I have the new Pixel 9 Pro. The camera's really good. It's supposed to be really good, but a lot of the footage that I've taken hasn't looked great when I've been editing. I've gotten really good footage from my GoPro in the past. I have some really good shots from skiing and from scuba diving, and it just looks so good. So I want to get the same quality footage when I'm traveling and getting footage of cities. And my phone just hasn't been doing a good job. Maybe there's some settings I should change, I'm not entirely sure. The GoPro does a really good job, so I'm gonna start using the GoPro a lot more and experimenting with that. Okay, you know what? I mean, the GoPro's waterproof to like, well, I don't know what depth, but it's irrelevant for rain. It's waterproof enough for rain. I mean, you can go scuba diving up to like 20 feet, I think, before you have to put on the actual waterproof housing, pressure-proof housing, and then you can get down to like 135 feet or something crazy. I am not going underwater, even though it kind of feels like it if you're out there. But here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to wait for the rain to die down a little bit. I'm gonna do a little bit more work, and then one way or another, I'm gonna go outside and get footage. And if it is raining like crazy, I'm just gonna do the flip-flop and shorts and just accept that we're gonna get soaked, and that'll be fine. It is midnight. It's like 11 o'clock, 11 p.m. I'm using the GoPro. The GoPro doesn't have great night footage, supposedly, but I think it's bright enough with all the ambient lighting that this is going to be fine. It looks really good on the screen right now. I also don't know how good this audio is going to be. This is my first time vlogging with the GoPro like this ever. I want to get better footage. I've been editing the video from the Philippines, and the footage has looked like crap at night. It's looked really bad, and it's also really shaky. The GoPro has very good image stabilization, so we're going to try this. I'm going to walk to Vien and get some night footage of Vien, and then if that footage looks good, I'm going to also go and use the GoPro to record a bunch of other stuff too. Okay, I can see my face is getting really dark right now, even though there's still a lot of ambient lighting, so we'll see. But Vien, there's a bunch of lights, and hopefully this will look really cool. This is an experiment, but it's Friday night. It should be packed. This should be a really good night to do it. It is kind of rainy, so it might not be like crazy crowded, but the lights are going to look great no matter what. So far, I think this is actually doing a really, really good job of recording stuff at night. There's enough ambient light that things look really good.
So clear, I've always been raise my hopes and don't even know it. In a life that's upside down, somehow you turn me around. So stay another night, 'cause all we have is time.
Got drunk off your lie, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't, I'm the prey. But this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad for me. I can't give it, I can't give it. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today. Tú tienes la pócima para enloquecerme, pero voy a draw the line. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sí que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. No, 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 baby, no, 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 no setbacks. No, 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 baby, no, 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 this time. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad for me. I can't give it, I can't give it. I've already run with the wolves. Far
How's Vien Street on a Friday? It's kind of raining tonight, so it wasn't as packed as it would normally be. Also, they didn't have the path closed off to traffic. Maybe they only do that on Saturdays and Sundays. I thought they would do that on Fridays too. I was surprised by the number of cars that were trying to drive down it. Like, you know what you're signing up for if you try to drive down that road. But it does not stop people with cars driving down the thing and just laying on the horn the whole time. And you can't even hear the horn over the music. Don't really know what the deal is with that, but whatever. Anyway, I don't know how that footage is going to turn out. I'm hoping it's going to turn out pretty well because there's so much ambient lighting. The GoPro doesn't do great with low light, but I think there's enough light that it's going to look really good. My face right now looks really good, and it's pretty dark, so it's kind of hard to judge what. I don't have a great reference right now of what low light entails for the GoPro. Okay, then right here it's going to get dark. But I still look fine. Okay, I guess we'll see. We'll see how it turned out. I'm gonna walk to 7-Eleven now and get some rice triangles and then call it a day.
Keep you close and savor the moment. You raise my hopes and don't even know it. In a life that's upside down, somehow you turn me around. So stay.